How's it going?
Oakland University.
Where is this?
Oakland University.
All right, what's going on in here?
Well, we're going to have a little biodiesel waste vegetable oil talk. See if they want to convert their buses to run on canola oil, peanut oil.
You gotta be kidding me.
Use cooking oil.
Yeah. I mean, I've been eating that stuff and you're using it to run a bus?
Yeah. After you're done.
All right, well, I'm running pretty good right now, so it's got to be some good stuff. All right, so we're at Oakland University. We're going to go inside here and let's see what they say.
Us about his United Peace Relief or anything else like that. I'd like to leave this 3 minutes open for that. So does anyone have any questions for Gordan himself?
How many trips?
I was going to ask what inspired you to start the organization?
Well, we started right after Hurricane Katrina, so we were bunch of us veterans were working on a separate project. Katrina hit, we said, look, we got a bus running on diesel, or biodiesel, and we have satellite internet, so we turned it into a disaster relief vehicle, and then we started doing what we can. What we found out was Home Depot will send you tools, Walmart will send you food, volunteers will come around from around the world to help in a large-scale disaster, but everybody's got to buy their fuel. And there isn't any when you get there. And when it is there, it's being rationed to give it out. So when you're doing it with heavy manpower, lots of tools and equipment moving around, fuel is the biggest nut, and it's the hardest thing to crack. So what we also found in New Orleans was the French Quarter, which was full of used cooking oil, and nobody getting it. So we took the used cooking oil, filtered it, and basically threw a still in the transesterification process. We made our own biofuel, and that ran our tractors and our trucks and all of our gear. We reduced the cost of producing fuel to about 65 cents a gallon. So when you remove everything that you do is fuel intensive, that makes a major savings for doing disaster response. Now, since Katrina, we're 9 years on, and that process has been figured out time and time again and become commercialized, where now instead of building a still, you can buy a machine, push button, out pops your transistorified used cooking oil in the battery. So your description of the process is nearly correct. When you run grease, you run a two-tank system. One is biodiesel, your stock system, and the other one is the grease system, which you're just filtering the grease and heating it up and then switching from one to the other. When you go to biodiesel, that's when you put it in still and create the transesterification process where you're adding the oil and the acid and methanol to break the triglyceride. Those two processes are not the same.
How many trips did you take on the bus?
Bus, we started in 2008, and we bought it in Arizona, drove it through Colorado, Utah, Four Corners, taking veterans on a sustainability tour to Indian Road, down in New Orleans, painted it down there, back to Colorado, set up a program there, to here, in New York, and Seattle, and California, and then Arizona, and then back to Colorado, and back here again. That's about 20,000 miles, and we spent about $300 a year. By using big buses, you have a large capacity to carry more fuel. So we have 240 gallons of used cooking oil tanks that include the collection filtering tanks, and then 170 gallons of diesel. So that gives us over 400 gallons on the road, and that 10 miles per gallon is good enough for 4,000 gallons.
What is this stuff on the road to pick up more oil?
Any restaurant, and you roll in with the Veterans Green Bus as a disaster response vehicle. It's not like a bunch of kids on vacation looking for some grease. We've never done that. Any other questions? well, you guys make use of the idea that it really does save a significant amount of fuel. And when we have buses running 24/7 all the time, people have to stand around with that to breathe that exhaust, and it's really good.